everyone for joining us here today. I think at the outset, I would like to thank Lodhi Club, Dr. Sarjit Ranan, General Secretary of Lodhi Club, and Mr. Rishit Singhania, Finance Secretary, and Gayatri Club, the advisory panel, Mr. Neetam Loka, the chairperson, and Mrs. Jyoti Goyal, the president, and a wonderful friend, for giving me this opportunity that I could feel like interacting with such a health conscious people who want to learn something and want to discuss about health. I think this is the most important thing which we know. We like to go for shopping, for exhibitions, for health के लिए ना अभी कोई भी मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा effort नहीं करते. But I'm very happy that so many people are curious to learn about that brain health. Especially I will talk about brain health because being a neurologist, I see everything like headache, stroke, memory problems, dementia, everything is we manage. But I think such common that women, especially focus on the women. Though everyone is affected with these problems, so I thought we'll discuss with this Mrs. Jyoti. So we'll have an interactive session and please any questions after this discussion are most welcome. I would love to know that.
Yeah, thank you डॉक्टर मोनिका. तो आपने देखा कि डॉक्टर मोनिका के अचीवमेंट्स बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. तो आज हमको पूरी अचीवमेंट्स तो अभी हमने बताई भी नहीं है, कुछ उनका बताया है पार्ट. तो सबसे पहले मैं डॉक्टर मोनिका आपसे ये जानना चाहूँगी, we would love to know how your journey as a doctor began and evolved. How did you manage to balance your medical studies, marriage, family and professional career all together? ये कुछ हमें पता चला है कि इन्होंने शादी के बाद पढ़ाई की है, even after a child. इन्होंने अपना करियर अपना बनाया है, तो उस पर कुछ रोशनी आप डालना चाहेंगे?
Thank you for asking this. I think doctor बनने का तो I had this dream in my mind since very early child. My parents were teachers, so but probably my mother could see that I have something different, I can do something extra. So when I was in class first or second, that time only I was sensitized that I can be doctor. And since then I was very clear that I have to be a doctor, nothing else in my life. That is one thing, that we need to have some passion and some focus in life. I think from this I will take this message and will tell people that we need to have some focus at what we want to be in life. After my MBBS, when I got engaged, I did my MD after that only, MD medicine. And I think my partner, my husband, he supported me in every aspect of my life. And my in-laws also, my father-in-law, he was quite encouraging that why don't you do something different, why don't you do DM? I wanted to, but I was not very clear that I will be a neurologist. That time I started focusing on neurology. But after my MD, I conceived, I had my child, my son Bhavya, he was born. So I think during pregnancy also only I studied and I continued with my this GM preparation.
I think it's very difficult. एक मैरिज के बाद ही लड़की की लाइफ एकदम चेंज हो जाती है, ड्रीमी लाइफ हो जाती है और आफ्टर बेबी तो, बट इन्होंने अपनी मेडिकल जर्नी इस दौरान पूरी करी. तो ये सब इन्हीं की उसका फल है कि आज हमें लुधियाना में इतनी अच्छी डॉक्टर मिली है.
Thank you so much, because it's not easy, but this is again what I want to convey, that if we want to do something in our life, no doubt we need to have some supportive family, but family can only support if we have some zeal in mind. I was the only doctor in whole of my family everywhere. So, and when I did my DM neurology from PJ Chandigarh, when I came to DMC, I was the first woman neurologist of Punjab in 2000.
Give a very big hand, please.
I was the first woman neurologist of all over Punjab, and after that I think many people are coming and be around it.
तो बहुत आपकी थ्रिलर लाइफ रही है इसकी मेडिकल जर्नी को आपको पूरा करते हुए. तो इसमें क्या आपको मोस्ट चैलेंजिंग आपके लिए और एक मेमोरेबल मोमेंट्स आपके लिए क्या रहे हैं?
Okay, I think what I feel, the greater is the obstacle, the more glory is coming, right? If it means that if we have some difficult challenge in life, it brings more joy, more satisfaction, and definitely the more that we feel satisfied and it is more accomplished early. So throughout my journey, I will not say it was very easy. It is difficult for a woman to pursue a career and then to survive. You need to do something extra every day because we are professionally also we have to prove every day. Initially people think when I went for my DM, went for my MD medicine, पहले सबको लगता है कि लड़की आ गई पता नहीं काम करेगी. Then you have to prove every day that you can work those extra hours more than that. I could prove that. Every day they were telling my seniors that you were much better than the 5 boys who are in the department in PG also.
Yeah.
Second thing, then you have to do that whenever you have this journey, there are difficulties when you are surviving in the hospital, you have some challenges, but these challenges make you more stronger and more determined, and you flourish in your career. The beautiful moments, I think my whole journey is very difficult as well as very, very beautiful. I have enjoyed every bit of my life because when you love your profession, I love every day being a neurologist. Whenever I manage to my patient, somebody is, कोई वेंटिलेटर से एकदम से उठ के बैठा है, कोई बंदा जो बात नहीं कर रहा था, unconscious था, they improve. Then you feel elated that you love your profession. I love to be a neurologist every day. And similarly, you have to manage, you have to prioritize being a female, your husband, your family, your children. I think if we do not take care of children for their studies, for their careers, then we are not. This is not justified. However, you are busy, but you have to take care of your children's priorities. You have to love them. You have to give them time. So I try to balance, though I think every day is guilty.